Here's a 2015 Mazda CX-9. With a combination of athletic flair, sporty handling, and practicality, the CX-9 is the most fun to drive SUV. It's well equipped with the features you need: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, AM/FM HD satellite prep radio, aluminum wheels, key fob activated rear windows, and wireless audio streaming. WashingtonPost.com offers some people thought it was a slick minivan, while others saw it as a slick SUV. But nearly everyone who had anything to say about its appearance gave the CX-9 high marks for styling. For all the things that drive you, there's Mazda. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.